The given column restraint length L is 0.6 L. Young's modulus of solid steel bar E is 200 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per meter square. The square section having length L is 2.4 inch and B is 70 mm. There is 0.07 meter. D is L upon 2. There is 2.4 upon 2. There is 1.2 meter, and factor of safety N is 2. Now, moment of inertia I is b to the power 4 upon 12. So b is 0.07 to the power 4 upon 12. There will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 mm to the power 4. The both ends pinned column, the critical load is pi square E I upon 0.6 L square. That is pi square E is 200 into 10 to the power 9 into I is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 0.6 into 2.4 whole square. So the critical load is 1903.85 kilo Newton. And now the allowable load P allowable is P critical upon N. So P critical is 1903.85 upon N is 2. There will be 951.92 critical. This is the allowable load. Now take moments at point A. Summation of MA is 0. So MA is minus M plus PD is 0. So that is PD is M. So MAM allowable is equal to P allowable into D. So P is 951.92 into D is 1.2, that is 1142.3 kilonewton per meter. This is the M allowable.